Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ted here again. In this video, I would like to show you how to make this delicious and mouth-watering Pikidilyong Tilapia. This is a very popular dish for special occasions, especially in my hometown of Batuca Marine Sur in the Philippines. Here, I will be using 2 pieces of tilapia, about 1 kilogram each, cleaned and butterfly cut. Other ingredients are tomatoes, onions, garlic, ginger, chilies, lemon, and carrot. You will also need something to tie the tilapia, like thread or dried banana stem. This version is very easy and very quick. It will only take you about 30 minutes to prepare and maybe 30 minutes to fry or cook. Okay, let's start. Cut the lemon into wedges, like that. Cut the tomatoes into halves. Peel the onions and garlic and ginger. I will not be using kamyas in this version because there's no kamyas here in Sydney. Instead, I've added carrot as a special ingredient. Now, massage the tilapia with salt, inside and out. It's important to do this before preparing the ingredients, so the fish will stay fresh and get that salt soaked into the fish. Next thing you do, squeeze the lemon wedges into the fish. Use 3 wedges of lemon or half a lemon to marinate the fish. And set aside. And do the same for the other tilapia. Then squeeze the tomatoes into the tilapia like that and set aside while you prepare the other ingredients. Then cut the tomatoes, the onions, the garlic, the ginger. Remove the stem from the chilies and cut the carrots. Then get dried banana stem and wet it and make some strips out of it. All the ingredients now are ready. This is a very healthy dish. Next, all the ingredients will be chopped into fine pieces. You can do it manually using a chopping board and knife, or use an electric chopper like this. Repeat the process until all of the ingredients are chopped. Put in a bowl. Make sure that there's still some bits of the ingredients like that, not so finely chopped. Back in the Philippines, we do the traditional style of cooking Pikidilyong Tilapia. I have also released a video about it, so please watch it, guys. Also, the tilapias here are big. I cannot find small ones, so I'm using the big ones. But it's up to you. Whatever size will do. Once done, mix all the ingredients. See how colorful it is? Now add black pepper and salt. The sweetness of the carrot will bring so much flavor in this one. And because carrot has starch, then it will dry up the ingredients once cooked. and not too watery. Mix all the ingredients well and squeeze the lemon again to extract more juice. Then we will be putting this mixture inside the tilapia. On a chopping board, lay the dried banana stem strips and the tilapia. Put mixture inside the tilapia as much as you can, but don't overload. And tie the tilapia with the dried banana stem strips. Tie it tight. So the stuffing or the mixture will not come out of the tilapia. There you go. And cut the excess strips. And it's ready for frying. Do the same for the other tilapia. And we're ready to fry. I'm using banana leaves so the tilapia won't stick to the pan. And you can just remove the banana leaves after. Yeah, we're done with the tilapia frying. See, that looks so yummy. Tasty, delicious, quick and easy to prepare, mouth-watering, healthy. So what are you waiting for? Make your own now and satisfy your cravings for Pikidilyong Tilapia a la tête. Ooh, so yummy. The combination of the tomatoes, onions, garlic, ginger, lemon, chilies, carrots, so perfect. And the crispiness of the tilapia, this is so satisfying. I hope you like my version of Piniritong Pikidilyong Tilapia. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like it. See you again. Take care. God bless.